Most people believe that serious lung problems always begin with dramatic symptoms such as a severe cough, sharp chest pain, or obvious breathing difficulties. However, the reality is often very different. The lungs can send subtle warning signs long before a major problem develops, and these early signals are surprisingly easy to overlook. Many people blame them on aging, assume they are simply out of shape, or dismiss them as minor inconveniences. As a result, they never realize that their lungs may be trying to communicate something important. Your lungs work continuously, every second of every day, without taking a break. With each breath, they deliver oxygen to your body and remove carbon dioxide. Even a small decline in lung function can affect your energy levels, physical activity, sleep quality, and overall well-being. After the age of 50, paying closer attention to changes in your breathing and respiratory health becomes especially important. Today, we'll explore 7 early signs that your lungs may be crying for help, along with simple insights that may help you better understand your body's signals. Let's begin with a symptom that many people mistakenly consider a normal part of getting older. Sign number 7, shortness of breath during everyday activities. Have you ever climbed a flight of stairs, gone for a walk, or completed simple household chores and noticed that you're more breathless than you used to be? Many people assume this is just a natural consequence of aging, but persistent shortness of breath should never be ignored. While it's true that fitness levels can change over time, your lungs are responsible for supplying oxygen to every cell in your body, and when they aren't functioning efficiently, even routine activities can start to feel more challenging. Shortness of breath can sometimes be linked to factors such as poor fitness, excess weight, allergies, or temporary illnesses. However, it can also be an early sign that something deeper is affecting your respiratory system. The most important thing is to pay attention to changes. If activities that once felt easy suddenly leave you struggling to catch your breath, your body may be sending an important warning signal that deserves attention. Sign number 6, a persistent cough that won't go away. Everyone experiences a cough from time to time. A cold, seasonal allergies, dust exposure, or a minor throat irritation can all trigger occasional coughing. However, a cough that lingers for weeks or even months is a different matter entirely. A persistent cough is one of the most common warning signs associated with lung-related issues and should not be dismissed simply because it develops gradually. Some people experience a dry cough, while others notice increased mucus production. In many cases, the cough starts off mild and slowly becomes part of everyday life, making it easy to overlook. The lungs often use coughing as a protective mechanism to clear irritants and keep the airways open. When coughing becomes chronic, however, it may indicate that the respiratory system is under stress and requires further evaluation. Paying attention to a long-lasting cough can help identify potential problems before they become more serious. Sign number 5, excess mucus or phlegm. The respiratory system naturally produces mucus, and in healthy amounts, it serves an important purpose. Mucus helps trap dust, germs, and other particles before they can reach sensitive lung tissue. Problems can arise, however, when the body begins producing excessive amounts of mucus over an extended period. Some people find themselves constantly clearing their throat, while others wake up every morning with noticeable phlegm. There are also individuals who feel the need to cough something up throughout the day. Persistent mucus production may sometimes indicate irritation, inflammation, or other issues affecting the airways. Changes in the color, thickness, or quantity of mucus should not be ignored, especially if they continue for weeks or months. Although many people focus primarily on coughing, excessive mucus can be an equally important sign that the lungs may need attention. Sign number 4, chest tightness or discomfort. Not every lung-related symptom involves coughing or mucus production. Some individuals experience a sensation of tightness in the chest, while others describe feeling unable to take a deep, satisfying breath. This discomfort may come and go, appear during physical activity, or occur after exposure to certain irritants. Chest tightness can have many possible causes, ranging from respiratory issues to heart-related conditions, which is why it should always be taken seriously. Even if the sensation seems mild, recurring episodes of unexplained chest discomfort should not be ignored. Your body often provides subtle clues when something isn't functioning properly, and persistent chest tightness may be one of those clues. Seeking professional evaluation can help determine the underlying cause and provide peace of mind. Sign number 3, wheezing or noisy breathing. Have you ever noticed a whistling or squeaking sound when you breathe? This sound, commonly known as wheezing, occurs when air moves through narrowed or partially blocked airways. While some people notice wheezing during exercise, others hear it at night while lying in bed. In some cases, family members or friends may notice the unusual breathing sounds before the individual becomes aware of them. Breathing is normally quiet and effortless, so persistent wheezing should never be considered normal. It often indicates that airflow is being restricted in some way, which may be related to irritation, inflammation, or other respiratory concerns. Although occasional wheezing can occur for various reasons, repeated or ongoing episodes deserve attention. The body rarely produces unusual breathing sounds without a cause, making wheezing an important warning sign that should not be overlooked. And surprisingly, the next warning sign doesn't seem related to the lungs at all. Sign number 2, feeling tired more often than usual. When most people think about lung problems, they usually imagine coughing, wheezing, or difficulty breathing. Fatigue is rarely the first symptom that comes to mind. Yet feeling unusually tired can sometimes be linked to how efficiently your lungs are functioning. Every organ and tissue in the body depends on a steady supply of oxygen. The lungs play a critical role in delivering that oxygen into the bloodstream. When oxygen delivery becomes less efficient, the body may have to work harder to perform everyday tasks. As a result, some people begin noticing lower energy levels, reduced stamina, or a feeling of exhaustion that seems out of proportion to their daily activities. Many factors can contribute to fatigue, including poor sleep, stress, nutritional deficiencies, and various medical conditions. However, when tiredness appears alongside other respiratory symptoms, it may be worth paying closer attention. Some people find themselves needing more rest after simple activities that never used to feel demanding. Others notice that their energy gradually declines over time without an obvious explanation. Because fatigue develops slowly, it can be easy to dismiss. Many people simply assume they are getting older. While aging can bring certain changes, persistent or unexplained fatigue should not automatically be accepted as normal. Sometimes it may be one of the body's earliest signals that something deserves further investigation. And now we've reached the warning sign that often surprises people the most. Sign number 1, changes in your fingertips or nails. At first glance, your fingertips may seem completely unrelated to your lungs. However, changes in the appearance of the fingers and nails can sometimes provide important clues about overall health. One change that healthcare professionals occasionally look for is called clubbing. Clubbing occurs when the tips of the fingers gradually become enlarged or rounded, and the nails begin curving downward more than usual. This change typically develops slowly over time, making it difficult for people to notice in themselves. Not everyone with clubbing has a lung problem, and not every lung condition causes clubbing. However, because the lungs play such an important role in oxygen delivery, certain long-term respiratory conditions may be associated with these changes. Most people never examine their fingertips closely, which is why this sign often goes unnoticed. While it should never be used to diagnose a condition on its own, it serves as a reminder that the body sometimes sends signals in unexpected ways. When several symptoms begin appearing together, such as shortness of breath, persistent coughing, fatigue, wheezing, and noticeable changes in the fingers, seeking professional medical advice becomes especially important. What can you do to support healthy lungs? The good news is that many everyday habits can help support lung health and overall respiratory wellness. One of the most important steps is avoiding smoking and limiting exposure to secondhand smoke whenever possible. The lungs are remarkably resilient, but they function best when they are protected from unnecessary irritants. Regular physical activity can also make a significant difference. Activities such as walking, swimming, cycling, or other forms of exercise help keep the respiratory system active and support healthy circulation throughout the body. Staying properly hydrated is another simple habit that many people overlook. Adequate hydration helps support normal mucus consistency, making it easier for the body to clear the airways naturally. Nutrition also plays an important role. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables provides antioxidants and nutrients that support overall health. While no food can guarantee healthy lungs, a balanced diet contributes to the body's ability to function at its best. Many people also enjoy warm herbal beverages as part of their wellness routine. One simple recipe has remained popular for generations. A simple ginger and lemon tea recipe. Ginger and lemon tea is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Begin by bringing 1 cup of water to a gentle boil. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and allow it to simmer for approximately 5 minutes. Remove the water from the heat and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Some people choose to add a small amount of honey for sweetness. The result is a warm, refreshing beverage that many people enjoy in the morning or evening. While it is not a treatment for lung disease, it can be a comforting addition to a healthy daily routine. Reality check. It is important to remember that no tea, supplement, food, or home remedy can cure serious lung disease. Persistent shortness of breath, chronic coughing, wheezing, chest pain, or coughing up blood should never be ignored. These symptoms require proper medical evaluation and should not be treated solely with home remedies. Healthy habits may help support normal lung function, but they are not substitutes for professional health care. Final thoughts. The lungs are among the hardest working organs in the body, yet many people rarely think about them until a problem develops. The challenge is that early warning signs are often subtle. A little more breathlessness than usual. A cough that doesn't seem to go away. Excess mucus. Chest tightness. Wheezing. Unexplained fatigue. Or even changes in the fingertips. Individually, these symptoms may not seem alarming. Together, however, they may tell an important story. The earlier potential problems are recognized, the sooner appropriate steps can be taken. Paying attention to your body's signals is not about fear. It's about awareness. After the age of 50, small changes deserve attention. Listening to your body today may help protect your health tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you ever experienced any of these warning signs, or were you surprised to learn that some of them may be connected to lung health? If you enjoy healthy aging tips, home remedies, and practical wellness advice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future episode. Until next time, stay active, breathe deeply, take care of your health, and remember that sometimes the body whispers before it begins to shout.